What's he doing? He just passed the ball and eggs.
He's going to the big bulk of it.
Keep an eye on them so we don't lose them, everyone. There's like a ton of eggs over here, and Ashton bypassed all of them. Good thing I put him in a yellow shirt. Stay where we're at, honey, so he knows where to find us. Look at him, he's going for it.
One time.
Good job, Ashton. Good job, Ashton. Yes?
Ashton.
He's looking.
I think that's all of them, huh? Wow.